I think 2 posts before on Paradise. And you can see the helicopter showing the storm or whatever what it was that came in, and it's this black, dense, huge, massive cloud. And these guys, when I showed it to them, they said they said before I showed it to them, they said it looked like a nuclear explosion. 2 out of the 4 said we saw it and it looked like a nuclear explosion was going off. And this is what they put over us. And then we also have videos of orbs, and we also have photographs here.
Okay, hang on, guys. So, hey, Mike asked the question, hey, y'all, seen any cars with molten metal?
Yes, and that's what the guy in the tow truck was saying. And, and here we can see blue. If you can see that, there's blue in the trees. That's the blue lasers that excite when it combines with the dust and the soot of the ground. Lasers are generally invisible. Some are visible infrared, but the blue can be seen when it excites in the molecules of the ionization of the lasers. And this is the same thing we had reported, the same thing I saw in Santa Rosa. And then here's another picture here. I don't know how well you can see this, but you can see the orbs. You can see the bright light shining. You can see the lasers actually going in. And we'll be publishing this on our website. And then there's many other pictures showing.
Oh my gosh! Look at that crazy one.
This is just the explosion going off. This is the massive explosion. And then I've got another one here. Hang on a second.
Where'd you get those?
He printed them for me.
Oh wow.
Hang on.
And the lines.
You see the blue here? Now you see half is blue and the half is not. And I have pictures on pictures on pictures of these blue lights that are, like I said, they couldn't look at it. And then the other story is about this one right here. Where is it? See the blue?
Yes.
Can you see the blue, guys?
And what time is this? What time of the day?
I don't know. I asked them because they're kind of confused because it was. You see the blue on those trees there, folks?
What about that bridge? What about, okay, wow, it says, have you seen any molten cars? Okay. What about that bridge? What about, sorry, my phone's it's cracked, so it's hard for me to read some of the comments, but, okay, what about the bridge?
Well, we'll get to the bridge in a sec, but if you can see this picture, see this?
Hey, Travis.
This is a Kmart. This Kmart, and you see behind it a tree exploding. And this guy was there when that tree exploded. He took this picture. The tree exploded out of nowhere. And he said it was so bright I couldn't look at it. And then from that tree, it went over and torched the Kmart down to the ground. That got destroyed. But the tree is still standing in front of it. So we're going to go and try.
So we're supposed to just buy the story that this is a forest fire when these buildings are being singled out and attacked.
And people.
Okay, so this is probably the first tree that we see burning. It's actually exploding. Right?
Yeah. So this is caused by the desiccants. So what happened?